In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forecasts in QuickBooks Online Advanced. Before you build a forecast, it's a good idea to quickly review your chart of accounts. This helps make sure all the income and expense tracking accounts you need are active and available. If an account is inactive or missing, your forecast may not reflect the full picture of your business. Taking a moment to check this first can save time later and helps keep your projections more accurate. Once that's done, go to Reports, then Financial Planning, and then Forecasts. From there, click Create Forecast to begin setting everything up. Next, choose your target time frame. QuickBooks Online Advanced lets you forecast for the rest of the current financial year, for the next financial year, or for as long as up to 3 years. The time frame you choose should match the planning horizon you want to work with. For example, a shorter time frame can be useful for near-term decisions, while a longer one can help with broader planning. After that, you'll choose how the forecast should be calculated under Forecast Using. You have two main options here. The first is Average of Actuals. This takes your past data and creates an average based on either 3, 6, 9, or 12 months of activity. This method is usually best if your revenue and expenses are fairly steady over time. The second option is Actuals from last financial year. This uses the previous year's performance as the starting point for your forecast. This approach is often more useful for seasonal businesses because it follows patterns that may repeat during the same months of the year. Once you've selected the calculation method, you can enter percentage-based rules to increase or decrease values across account types if needed. This is helpful if you expect growth, cost changes, or shifts in spending patterns. After entering those adjustments, click Next. QuickBooks will then generate a monthly forecast layout for you to review. At this stage, go through the numbers carefully. If you want to fine-tune the forecast, you can edit individual cells manually. That gives you the flexibility to adjust specific months or accounts without changing everything else. This is especially useful if you already know certain periods will be stronger or weaker than the automatically generated estimate. When you're happy with the projection, rename the forecast so it's easy to recognize later, then select Save and Close. If you want to use that forecast for ongoing performance tracking, open the Actions menu and choose Make this a budget. This converts your completed forecast into an active tracking budget, which allows you to run budget versus actual reports later and compare your plans with real results. That's how to create forecasts in QuickBooks Online Advanced.